If today were the last day of your life, would you want to do what you are about to do today? I hope so. Ladies and gentlemen, Noor Tarzi with Android Business Solution. And I'm just about to show you how to install your template and get your website off the ground. Let's get started. So, back to our website. I'm logged in here to the dashboard and I'm gonna go straight into themes to upload my template. So I'm gonna click on add new, and it's gonna give me an option to download some of those templates from WordPress, which is a free templates, or you can upload your own theme. So I'm gonna click upload my theme, which is we bought already. For this example, it would be Allura, and I'm clicking on here. And where's my Allura template? Here we go. This is my template right here. I select the file and click install now. Watch the magic. Well, it might take a few minutes to download to install the template. It depends on the size of the template you have chosen. While waiting for this template to install, you probably want to prepare some of the images you want to use for your template. It's very, very good idea to plan for your website before you get started. So understand the structure of your website. How would you like the users to navigate through the website? Let me show you what a site map would look like. Try to use Word, just a Microsoft Word or something like that to map out the processes and the pages on your website and how would you like people to navigate. So for examples, on this example sitemap, you see here that he likes the people on the home page to have on the main menu services, training, information, contact, and then for the drop down menus of services, they're gonna have those three tabs, and then another drop down of this drop down would be with three more tabs. So it's very important to have this structure in mind, otherwise you would not be able to achieve anything or go anywhere with a website. And it's also very, very important to have some wireframe for the website. Have an idea where and how large things are on the website, such as images. Wireframe. And a wireframe would be something like this. Okay, on the home page, I need my navigation menu on the side. I need another one on the top, and then I would need a side menu here, a search bar here, a logo here, some videos in here. It's very important to sketch out what are you trying to achieve. Okay, cool. Let's get back and see what happened with our template. It's done successfully, so I'm gonna activate it. So click on activate. And here's my template activated. Let's take a look at the website. So this is how the website looked like right now. Let's see if anything got changed now. All right, here we go. Let's go. And first of all, go to all pages. Follow me now on each one of those steps. Okay, I'm gonna be slow on the process, so you have enough time to follow me and fully understand what I'm doing. Pause the video, do a step by step. I strongly recommend watching the entire video first, then go back, start implementing step by step, pause the video, go back and forth, and make sure you're doing the correct steps. It would save you a lot of time. Okay, I'm gonna trash this sample page for now, and I'm gonna create two main pages. The first page is the home page of the website. I do home, and And here you have a bunch of different stuff. I want to use the full width personally. I want to do a similar design. Let's say, let's talk for example. We want to do a similar design to this. I'm gonna do a full width here and keep everything empty as is for now. I'm just gonna click publish. Now I'm gonna go to all pages, add a new, and I'm gonna add in a second page, which is the blog page. And you can here use 100% full width. Let's give it to the full and click publish. All right, awesome. Now, if you remember when we went over the side menu, you can notice right here, you've got a bunch of stuff automatically added. So elastic slider, flex slider, layer slider, they are automatically added here to the side menu. Before we get into these things, let's go to settings, reading. I'm gonna select here, the front page would be the home page. The post page would be the blog page. Okay, and click save. Perfect, saved. I'm gonna take a quick look into the plugins, see if there's any plugin. You see here it says that this template requires a few plugins in order to function correctly. So I'm gonna click on begin installing plugin. It's showing me here that there's 2 plugins that I should install in order for me to be able to utilize the templates at its fullest. So I'm gonna click on install for the first one, and it's installed successfully. I'm gonna return back to the required plugin installer, and I'm gonna install the second one. Installed successfully. Go back. You see how quick that is? Now you can see that they were not activated. You click on activate and click on activate, and we are all set. Awesome. Okay, let's start looking at those elements. So I need a banner at the top of the page. I'm gonna go now here. And before we do so, if you refresh the page now, you're gonna already start seeing some differences. See, it's a full width page right now. There's no side menu anymore. So I'm gonna go here. Before I customize the home page, I'm gonna make a decision on which pages I need on the menu on the home page. So let's add a few more pages. I need, let's take this as an example. So we need services. I'm gonna click choose template. For now, I'm just going with the full width for everything. And I'm clicking publish. I'm gonna add a second page, and let's say this is gonna be the contact us. Right, again, I'm going with the full width, and then I'm gonna click publish. All right, so let's set up the menu. First of all, let's make sure that we have our menu working. Go now to appearance, menus. Okay, I'm gonna remove this one here because we've already removed. Okay. Oh, stay at this. I did not save, so click save menu. Now, if you remember, we have created this on the old template. So first of all, you want to make sure that I select the location of the navigation menu. So I'm gonna say the main navigation would be the one that I created, which is the header. and I'm gonna say the sticky menu, the sticky header navigation. It's basically when you scroll down on the website, and you see this, for example, you scroll down and it sticks at the top, right? So the sticky menu, I would like the same thing to be the sticky menu. I'm gonna click save. Now I'm gonna go back, edit menu, and I'm gonna add those pages. So I need all of those 4 pages to be on my menu. Click on add menu, and I want to rearrange them. I want to make sure that the home is the first one, services is the second one, and blog. And I'm thinking, you know what, maybe I need blog to be a drop down under contact us. So I'm just gonna drag it, and you see how it's shifted inside. This means this is gonna be a drop down of contact us. I'm gonna keep it actually for now here and click save. Let's take a look if this worked. Awesome. So here's my menu. Very good. Now I need, the second step is I need to create a banner. I want to create I want to change the logo, in fact. So let's go to the theme option. See, under appearance you have theme options. This is the whole options that you need that you have access to customize the website. And as you can tell, there's a whole lot of stuff that you can do. So I'm gonna go under header, and in here you'll be able to choose what type of menu would you like. So would you like to have like a blue banner at the top of the menus where they have a link to phone number, email, some other links and tabs with a search bar, or the logo would be in the center, or this one? So you get to choose which one you like more. I'm gonna just stick with this and click on logo. This is the logo that they have right now. I'm gonna click on remove and upload. Select file. Now you need to have your logo ready for upload. So I'm gonna go to my logo. And I'm gonna upload my logo. Now you want to make sure it's the correct size. And click here. Now be careful with this step right here. If you click save changes, nothing gonna happen. You're gonna click use this image. Awesome. Alright, you can go over all of this. Like this right here is the little icon that shows in here. So if you want to replace this standard WordPress icon and replace it with your logo, you would just upload this, but you need to upload a very small one in order to be the correct size, which is usually, as it tells you, it's 16 pixel by 16 pixel. Alright, I'm gonna click save all changes. Very good. And refresh the page. Boom! Here's my logo. Let's get back down here, and I'm going to create a banner, a slider at the top of the page for my home page. So I'm going to go have some fun with the slider and click on layer slider. Okay. Might seem too complicated, but it's really not. Just click on add a new. Make it simple. Home page slider. Awesome. Add a slider. And this is the settings of how wide would you like the sliders to be. So I would like it to be 100%. I'm just gonna put 100%. And this is the slider height, if it's responsive, all the settings. This might get tricky when you need to worry about the responsive, so we would cover that on a separate tutorials, or reach out to me or post a comment if you have any question, because this might be a little tricky on how to make it work correctly on the phone. But for now, we're just gonna keep it very simple. I'm gonna keep this all to the default stuff and click Save Changes. And now you're gonna click on Slides, and this is my first slide. I'll click on Set and Upload File. Select. Let's choose something cool. So you probably wanna do this one. Okay, I'm gonna click now Insert. Make sure you have a very high quality image. As you can see, the one that I just uploaded right now is not a high quality, so it's not gonna look nice at all on the website. It's gonna be very badly stretched. I'm gonna remove it and upload something better. Oh, by the way, how would you know? If you click on this, you see the size, it says 500 pixel. 500 pixel is very, very low. We should be talking about 1600 pixel. So I'm gonna upload something else. So let's just go with this. Now, as you can see, it's taking a lot of time, meaning the size of the image is very, very high. If the size of the image is high, it's gonna take a lot to load on the website, which is not a good thing. You don't want the user to wait forever for an image to load. Make sure you have a correct image size that you use as a banner. You see, this is a huge file. This is 4 megabyte. It's 5,000 by 5,000. So no, I'm gonna choose a different one. And that's why I said it's very, very important to plan ahead of time on what do you want to do, what images you want to use, because you're going to find that planning is the most time consuming. Actually putting the website together once you have everything planned and all the images ready for you is not going to be a lot of work. It's really really the planning and making sure you know what you're doing. Okay, so this seems to be a good size to work with. It's 1700, it's 500 kilo, so that would work. I'm just gonna install this one here, insert this, and I need this to be clickable and go to, NordRZ.com, for example. All right, click on Save Changes. You can do a lot with the layer slider. You can have some text animated coming into this, different layers, videos. You can have a lot of fun with this by adding more layer. So this would be your background and you can add more elements on top of it. I'm gonna keep it very simple for this training. So I just want to add one more slide. I'm gonna click on slide 2 here, add a new slide, and click on this and then upload one more slide. So let's see, what do we have here? This is very large. Okay, let's just do this for now. Alright, awesome. Insert. And slide delay is the timing between the first slide and the second slide. So let's do 6,000 here. And click Save Changes. Now, this slider, if you look right here, this is a slider ID number 1. So this is the first slider, not this banner, but the whole thing, this one along with this one. If you click on all slides, again, you see you have only one with 2 slides coming in within this same thing, which is we're creating only for the home page. So it's number 1, it's ID 1. Now I'm gonna go to all pages and go to my home page. I'm trying to be very slow here. I'm sorry if I go fast. And slide type, sorry. Go to layer slider and select layer slider. I'm gonna select slider number 1, which is the only one available as of now. And you can go through all of the settings, see if you want to change any of those. Perfect. Clicking update now, and let's see what happens here. Here we go. We have our slider. Now remember, we have said that the size of this needs to be 300. I uploaded a bigger images, and that's why you cannot see the full image, but you can resize either this to make it bigger or resize your images to make it smaller to fit on this. So for this example, I'm just gonna go here and make it a little larger. Click on the slider that we just created, and under slider settings, I'm gonna do this 600 instead of 300. And refresh the page. Here we go. Cool, right? Perfect. Awesome. So let's add some stuff to the home page. Now what I need to show you is a plugin that makes your life easy. Go to plugin, install the plugin, and click on add a new. At this here, search for Page Builder. Okay, so this Mini Max Page layout builder, install this. There's a whole different type of plugins that you can install similar to this. I'm gonna click on activate plugins. Perfect. I'm gonna go back here to customize my home page. I'm gonna click on home, and you see, before we installed this plugin, we used to have only 2 tabs, which is visual and text. Text meaning the code, visual meaning adding, some text, bold, italic, a photo. But what if you want to do more complicated design than just having a photo and the text? This would make it very, very easy. So I'm gonna say that, okay, I provided 3 different types of services, so I need 3 columns, right? And here we go, I have 3 boxes, and on the first box, let's say I want to do, what do I want to do? I'm just gonna keep it simple for now, so I'm just gonna put text here, and the title would be something like website design, right? Okay, perfect. Save, and I'm gonna add text again and put website design. Sorry, I'm gonna put this time what graphic design. Save settings, and I'm gonna add one more here, text, and I'm gonna put print, and save settings. Update. And click on, and you see here you have 3 different areas: website, graphic, and print. Let's make this look a little nicer and more spicy. What you can do with this is create slides that you want to display within the page, and from here choose the slider that you want to display. So let's say you want to do a little banners about hosting company. You can do that under the layer slider the way we did the home page, and then come in here and select that. But for now I'm just gonna go back to text. Now, some of those tools, some of those plugins are way more advanced than this. This gives you only a box to enter a code or whatever you want to enter. Some of those plugins are interactive visual interface where you actually can add things much easier than this. I'm gonna show you a way around it. If you use this plugin and you don't know how to do a code, there's a way around it to create, let's say, an image with some description. So here is my little trick. Just go to post and create a new post. So I'm just gonna go from here. This is another way of navigating the website. I'm gonna go to new post. Now I don't want to create any post. The only thing I want to do is I want to use the visual editor to help me add an image along with the title and then copy the code to my homepage. So add new, upload a file, select a file here, and I want to maybe do this image. All right. Okay. And this is I need to select. I need a medium size seems to be nice for me, and I don't need this to be clickable anywhere. And I'm just gonna say insert into post, right? And now go to the text, copy this piece of code, and here we go, paste it in here. Actually, what you can do, actually just post it to the same one that we just created right here. So we can paste it here, save settings, update. Just for our example, I'm gonna use the same image over and over again. Save settings, so I'm adding different images here. And again, there's another plugin. I will on the description give you a name of a plugin that would allow you, once you click on this, to do a visual editing. So it's much easier than this specific plugin, but it's a very, very similar concept. And, now I'm just going to go to the home page of the website. And here we go. You have 3 different columns with the 3 different photos about your services. And let's say, just to do one more step, I'm going to click on edit page. This is again another way of navigating. And I want to add now a 1 column here. And I want to do some description, like a long description. So I'm going to click this, click text. And let's just take some description from here. So let's say I just want to take this section here. I want to make it full width. So I'm going to click save setting. You see that this is a full right here. And maybe I want to add a full width video. You know, who knows, video, right? You go to YouTube. Upload your video to YouTube first, and let's navigate. Let's say that I want to add this video here. So I'm gonna click under share and then embed and then copy this and then go here, go here, paste this and save settings. So let's take a look and see how our website coming along now. Alright, awesome. We have the video, we have the text. Again, you can leave spacing between those. You can leave a spacing between those, and just following this very simple concept, you will be able within few hours, if you know what you're doing, in terms of if you know what is the structure of your website, you will be able to build this website very quickly and have a nice looking modern 2015 style. So if you have any question, if you need any further help, please leave me a comment, reach out to me. I'll be more than happy to help. Thanks.